Hey there, Visionary Designs family. Welcome back to another journey into the world of design and inspiration. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the serene and enchanting realm of dream garden living. Imagine stepping into a world where lush gardens, elegant patios, charming verandas, and cozy courtyards come together to create your perfect outdoor haven. This video is designed to be a visual escape, filled with tranquil and inspiring scenes that will help you dream and plan your own garden paradise. Let's embark on this visual journey together. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest home and garden design inspirations. Let's get started. Close your eyes and imagine a space where every corner of your garden whispers tranquility and beauty. A dream garden is more than just an outdoor area. It's a sanctuary where nature and design harmonize to create a peaceful retreat. From vibrant flower beds to soothing water features, each element is meticulously curated to evoke a sense of calm and wonder. The gentle sway of the trees, the soft rustle of leaves, and the melodic chirping of birds create a natural symphony that enhances the peaceful atmosphere. Let's explore these enchanting spaces together, one by one. Envision walking through a lush garden where vibrant flowers bloom in a symphony of colors and fragrances. The soft rustle of leaves and the gentle trickle of a water fountain create a soundtrack of serenity. Meandering pathways lead you through verdant greenery, inviting you to explore and unwind. Strategically placed lighting casts a magical glow, turning your garden into a fairy tale landscape as the sun sets. Imagine a cozy bench nestled under a canopy of blooming flowers, a perfect spot to sit and reflect, surrounded by the beauty of nature. Water features, such as small ponds or cascading waterfalls, add an element of tranquility, creating a calming ambiance that soothes the soul. Now picture a patio that seamlessly blends with your garden, offering a perfect spot to relax and entertain. Comfortable outdoor furniture adorned with plush cushions invites you to sink in and enjoy the surroundings. An outdoor rug underfoot and decorative lanterns create a cozy and inviting ambiance. The gentle sway of hanging plants and the soft glow of string lights add to the enchantment, making your patio a haven of comfort and elegance. Imagine hosting a dinner party under the stars, with the warm glow of fairy lights creating a magical atmosphere. The patio becomes an extension of your indoor living space, a place where you can enjoy the fresh air and natural beauty while still being surrounded by comfort and style. Imagine a veranda that feels like an extension of your living space, where you can enjoy the beauty of the outdoors while being sheltered from the elements. A swing or cushioned bench provides the perfect spot to sit and watch the world go by. Surround yourself with potted plants and hanging baskets, adding a touch of nature and color. Outdoor curtains flutter in the breeze, providing privacy and a sense of enclosure. Soft ambient lighting enhances the peaceful atmosphere, making your veranda a serene retreat. Picture yourself sipping your morning coffee or enjoying an evening read on a beautifully decorated veranda, surrounded by the gentle sounds of nature and the soft glow of lanterns. It's a space designed for relaxation and tranquility, where the worries of the world fade away. Finally, envision a courtyard that serves as a private oasis, a hidden gem within your home. A central fountain or a beautifully sculpted tree becomes the focal point, surrounded by lush plantings that create a sense of seclusion. Comfortable seating and decorative elements like garden sculptures and mosaic pathways add personality and charm. Subtle lighting casts a warm glow, transforming your courtyard into a tranquil escape, perfect for relaxation and reflection. Imagine a cozy nook with a comfortable chair and a small table, a perfect spot to enjoy a good book or simply bask in the beauty of your surroundings. The courtyard is a space where you can find peace and solitude, a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of daily life. And that's it for our Dream Garden Living Tour. We hope this visual journey has inspired you to transform your outdoor spaces into dreamy, enchanting retreats. Let the serenity and beauty of these designs guide you in creating your own personal haven. Remember, your garden is not just a part of your home, it's an extension of your living space, a place where you can connect with nature and find peace. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home and garden design inspiration. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.